Hello everyone, I hope you are all okay, and today we're going to see the energy sources and how to save some energy. And I have to explain first that this could be the last video for this unit, because from now we are going to review the previous units, the unit number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but today we are going to finish this unit with the energy sources and saving energy. And remember, this is what you got on your book, so there is nothing new. So I'm going to highlight some things. Let me change the marker. And this. In this case, we have two main sources of energy: the renewable ones and the non-renewable ones. Okay, the renewable ones are the wind, the fire, the sun, and the water. These are renewable because they doesn't finish, okay, but we're going to see it later. And these are the non-renewable ones, the non-renewable energy sources. So these are the two types of energy. Here we've got the energy, the renewable energy, okay. These are the renewable. He said that are resources that are replaced naturally over time. It means that they don't end, okay, so they are replaced by nature. The earth replaces them. Which are them? The wind, the bioenergy, the solar energy, and the hydroelectric. So what does it mean? The wind can move, in this case, this type of huge fans, okay, and that fans produce some energy. Okay, that type of energy is renewable because the wind is replaced naturally, as well as the bioenergy or the solar energy or the hydroelectric. Okay, so the renewable ones are the ones that are in nature, and the nature provide them us in order to use them once and again. But the next one are the non-renewable ones. These ones are the ones that are available for a while, okay, for a quantity. In this case, for instance, the petroleum. We've got petroleum, but if we waste it and waste it and waste it, one day we can be out of petrol and we have no petrol in the world. Happens the same with the natural gas, the coal, or the nuclear one. So these resources are not illimited. Okay, they are limited in nature. Some of them have got many reserves, but some of them have few reserves. Okay, so these are non-renewable ones. The earth, the nature cannot renewable them, or in the case of the petroleum, the earth takes millions of years for producing that, so it's non-renewable. And this is another factor that is very important with the non-renewable resources, because the renewable resources are good for the environment because we do not waste anything. We just use what the nature provides us. But with the non-renewable ones, we cause pollution. Okay, imagine we're going to go back the coal, for instance. When we burn the coal, we are emitting, we are giving some pollution to the earth. Happens the same with the gas natural, with the nuclear, with the petroleum. So they pollute our planet. When we burn the coal, gas or petroleum to release energy, we produce energy with them. It's true. It's absolutely true. But we pollute our environment. And these processes release gases that are harmful for the environment. That is what causes the pollution in the atmosphere and the global warming. As you know, our planet, the Earth, is becoming more and more warm little by little, and that is really dangerous for our planet because the North Pole and the South Pole are melting, the temperature in general is increasing liter by liter. Some animals cannot support that type of temperatures, and it's a problem. It's a problem for our planet, and has lots of bad consequences. The melting of the glaciers and the rise of the sea levels. Okay, this is the sea, and little by little, the level of the sea is increasing. So, in many years, probably, some islands or some places in the world are going to be disappear under the water. Okay, and how can we stop that? We can save our planet doing some things that are really easy to do, because if we need to go anywhere by car, we have to go by car, and we cannot do anything. But if we have the chance, instead of going by car, we can walk or cycle. I know that some of you, not now because you are at home, but some of you commute or you go to school by car. If you have the chance, use your bike or go on foot. Another way for doing that is insulating your home. That's really important, because if we insulate properly our home, the heating it could be lower, and we're going to pollute a little less. Another one that's really important: use solar panels. Now we have the chance of using solar panels that are really good. The energy is absolutely clean, and also it's really cheap. Okay, and this is another one. You have the chance for buying a hybrid or electric car. Buy it. Okay, it's a very good option. It is not the one that is good for everyone, because they have some limitations. So if you have the chance for buying an electric or hybrid car, you can buy it. Another one that is really important: using the public transport, because you can say, well, the train or the bus also pollutes, Sergio. Yes, I said yes, obviously, but it pollutes. But many people could go in. So if we share the car, not only the public transport, we can share the car, and then just one car pollutes instead of two cars. I'm going to show you as an example. Imagine that we've got two people that we are neighbors. We live in the same neighborhood. This is a block of building. This is a house. Okay, and in the house we've got two teachers, teacher 1 and teacher 2. So they are neighbors. They live together, and they go to the school that is here. So if they go to school using two cars, they're going to pollute twice. One car and another car. This car is going to pollute, and this car is as well. But if they share the car, if they share this car and they do not use this, two people are going to use this. So this one is the car that one is going to pollute, and is going to be better for the environment. Another one: use energy efficient machines. So these machines, the ones with the A+++, are good for the environment, are better for the environment. In this case, for instance, we got the chance of the pellet stove. That is really good for the environment, because pellet is bioenergy, as well as the use of the improvement of the use for wind turbines. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this explanation, and see you soon. Bye.